Vapjoy? What's going on, nation? Vape here, and welcome. So today we have a very quick update on the Vapjoy Hayabusa. Now, I done a review no long time ago that I'm gonna post a link right here so you can go back and watch about this RDA that it was a lot of issues with it. So I done the review. I throw the RDA away and I move on with my life. Now, Vapjoy actually saw the video and entered in contact with me, saying that they were very sorry about all the situation, that it was actually a pretty bad one, that they did want to make the right thing and send me a new one. And I was like, whoa, I was kind of surprised, especially from Vapjoy is a small company, okay? And my video didn't have that much views that I think or I thought that it couldn't impact that much the company. But it seems that doesn't matter. They really want to do the right thing. So I say, hey, you know what? I'm really happy for you to send me a new one, and I even can do an update video. Now, they did mention in one of the emails if it was any chance for me to delete the video, the previous one. And I said, listen, I can't do that. All right. I'm really sorry, but the video is up. I'm not going to take it out now. What I can do is I will do an update video on the new one that you're going to send me and go slightly over it. And they say, well, that's fine. You don't have to do an update video, and you don't have to delete the other one if you don't want to. Now, at that point, I thought, ooh, they're going to be upset. They're not going to send me nothing. But no, they did actually send me one. And like I said on the other video, and go watch the other video, because I said, listen, it's kind of a shame because it was kind of a good RDA. Now, I'm not experiencing the issues that I had on the other one on this one, but it is in fact working. Top cap is fine. The positive post is not crooked. Actually, they include an extra sticker on the box that we're gonna do a very quick dive down, just show you a few of the bits. If you're more interested on a bigger dive down, if you want to call it like that, go to the previous video. So what we're gonna do now, deck, as you can see, the post on this one is perfectly straight. I didn't over tie it, but I really tie it down, you know, like not over tight, but I really, if you want to call it, crank it slightly just to make sure there was nothing wrong. And no, it didn't bend, it's fine, it's perfect. So just be careful with this post if you buy one. And as you can see, I got the build in there. And like I said in my first video, this is actually not a bad RDA. And here is the top cap, the one that I break on mine. And on this one is fine. Let me just, I changed the settings so you can see a bit better. As you can see, you know, it's a full top cap, it's a full piece of plastic, so mine broke through there. Very weird, but I've been using this one, and the other one broke when I took the drip tip. This one is fine, you know, so it probably was some kind of defect on the plastic or something. But yeah, this one is bad. So let's come back on top and talk a bit more about it. Alright, and we're back. And that was a very quick dive down just to show you few, not changes, but the differences between the first one that was very bad and the sticker that they put on the box. Now, on the other one, like I say, I will not recommend because it was kind of dangerous with the post like that. Listen, like I said on the other video, stuff happen, you know. When you got a mass production line for anything in the world, mistakes happen. And what makes the companies different is what Vapjoy done. Vapjoy done? What Vapjoy done? very, very nice of Vapjoy to actually contact me. Went through all this thing, asking me sorry, send me a new one. And they even say they didn't want to update video. I didn't have to do it, you know. I want to do it because they done the right thing. And I think, listen, if a lot of people come out here, and not just about vape products, and bash companies out and bash people out to not do the right thing, why we shouldn't come here when somebody or a company do a right thing? We should also come here and say, hey, big pro to you. So at this, I don't want to say at this point because they didn't have to fix nothing on this RDA. But if you get this RDA and he's fine, he's a very good RDA. He's a very restricted long hit RDA. Did I call it RTA? RDA. That I think is gonna shine more in squonking mode, or at least change the drip tip when you get it. This is a 510. Change it to a bigger one so you can drip to the top. I'm dripping at the moment, but the available space to drip through this drip tip is very, very small. So I have a 0.31 build, 34 watts. Let's have it. Airflow wide open on this one. Very, very small ports. You probably could do a mouth too long on this one as well. Machining is pretty good, to be honest. Yeah, listen, if you're looking for something very restrictive, it is not very, but it is restricted long hit, and it's not too bad, not too expensive. I think it goes for 20 something dollars. I will leave a link on the description if you want to grab one. I just want to make the update video and say, Vapjoy, I have to give you a massive pro for what you've done, and I will definitely recommend Vapjoy as a company. Now they're not paying me nothing, they're not sponsoring me. They did send the RDA, but they even didn't say, and I have the emails that I didn't have to do an update video. They just want to do the right thing. So big pros to you, Vapjoy. We're gonna wrap it up. Thanks for everything. Thanks to be with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you on the next video. Till then, keep vaping.